Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly card collab. This is hosted by Metal Scrappin Chick and Crafty Crabb, and this is our last card for 2020, but the collab is continuing for 2021. I don't know what our themes are for next year yet. I don't think we got them in an email. I could be wrong though. I'm kind of lost right now today. Anyway, our theme this month was blue. Just blue. So I decided to use primarily this Feels Like Frost Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up, which is retiring, and it's, I believe, on sale right now if you don't have that. Also, the Balmy Blue Glitter Paper, or Glimmer Paper, what's it called? Balmy Blue Glimmer Paper, which I love, is 153513. So Stampin' Up's having a year-end clearance sale right now. And then the two colors I used of cardstock are Balmy Blue and Night of Navy. Balmy Blue, Night of Navy. Sorry for the glare. And Whisper White, which is going away also, and we're getting a basic white, but I don't have the basic white yet. Anyway, and then as far as stamp sets and dies, on the first and first card, I used Peace and Joy. I used the On Earth, and then I used the Peace die, and you'll see that in a minute. I used just the Deer die from the bundle Wishes and Wonder, which these are both retiring, and I believe I'm not sure if they're exactly on sale. You'd have to check. And on the second card, I used Dove of Hope. I used this sentiment on the outside and both of these on the inside. And I used the two, well, there's only one. I used this wing twice, and you'll see. And then lastly, and that's retiring also. And then this one is not retiring. These are from the Right Triangle bundle in the current annual catalog, which goes through to April. Goes through April, excuse me. And I used this second largest of these stitch triangle dies. Okay, so let me get started, and then I'll show you the other stuff I used too. So here is Seaside Spray. Here's one of the papers out of the pack. The piece, I used the glimmer paper behind, and then I just die cut the word out in Whisper White. I stamped in Night of Navy, On Earth, and this is bumped up on mini dimensionals. The Deer I just cut out of the glimmer paper, and then these are carrying over actually, and they are called Blue Adhesive Back Gems. And I used the darker one. I don't use that as much, but I felt it went because it's called Night of Navy Iridescent or something like that. And then on the inside, I think on this one I just used, I just used a piece of the remaining paper that I cut off over here. So that is my first one, and I was only going to do one card, and the reason I'm a little bit later posting this morning is I actually woke up with a dream for another card, and I I had to do it. So maybe it was my mom reaching to me. I don't know, but I had to do it. I'm gonna cry. Mom. Oh, sorry. I'll be right back. Anyway, the other idea was the Dove of Hope wings to make an angel, and I think I had that idea before, but it like materialized in my head right as I was waking up. So here's the Right Triangle die. This is just a 1-inch punch, which is not Stampin' Up because I don't think they have one anymore. And I tried using some of the other circle dies, and they were a little too big. And then this is just a tiny little, I actually had a scrap of the Seaside Spray. What do they call this? metallic ribbon. It's in the annual catalog. It was in last year's holiday, but it carried over to the annual 2020 to 2021 catalog. That's current now. The same bling, the metallic blue adhesive back gems, and I just stamped a Night of Navy, Peace, Joy, and Love. And then on the inside of this one I did, and I moved it over a little bit so because it's down so far. I have a little stray navy thing there, sorry. Anyway, it says, may your season be filled with all the wonder and blessings of Christmas and hope in your heart. And I think I know who I want to send this to, which came to me this morning also. So anyway, yeah, I wasn't sure about the ribbon, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay. So those are my two cards for the monthly card collab using blue. And so yeah, again, I use Night of Navy and Seaside Spray. I'm sorry, Night of Navy and Balmy Blue. This is Seaside Spray, but this is Balmy Blue Glitter Paper. And I love them. They're my... I love blue anyway, so I really love both cards. And thank you to my angel. So anyway, thank you to my angel for the idea, and Merry Christmas, everybody. Talk to you again soon. Bye.